What's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be looking at my three losing trades on Nasdaq 100 all the way to the sell side. You can see that today was a big sell day, but just this week that we had overall on the daily candle, that's what knocked me out today. If my strategy typically works when we have a small wick, I'm able to take that buffer and still take it to the downside, take it in the right direction. But today I got knocked out three times on this account. I actually got the trade on a different account where I'm just trying to trade a different strategy. So this one is my typical opening candle strategy, and it actually played out negatively today. So we're gonna document all of the trades. This is actually the candle for tomorrow, so that you can see that's actually formed on the chart right here. I'm thinking more selling, but it's like just thinking about where is it going to expand to. Is it gonna expand to down here or up here? We'd have to go deeper into the charts to actually see that, I believe. And I actually have the account here where I made the other trade as well. What's going on here? Yeah, cool. So this can go. So the first trade I made yesterday at 9 p.m. to the sell side. Short 9 p.m. So we're looking for what, 21. Okay. You can see I could see the direction, but just being stopped out was what got a little tricky. Let's start from the 9 candle here and zoom in a little more. You see sell side was the trade, just giving it a little more space could have helped, but I'm not. You see I'm risking 35, I'm risking 20, so I'm not putting on a big risk to take on the trade. I actually got stopped out. Okay, I had two trades today, and then this was the trade from tonight. I'm like, no way I broke my rules. Like, why does it look like I broke my rules? And I didn't feel like I broke my rules today. So I entered that at 18029.7. So this isn't typing. 18029.7. That was my entry. And then where I got stopped at was 18047.2. So I pretty much got stopped out on the same candle. You can see that small broken line there, right here. That's where I actually got stopped out. It's actually showing me I got stopped out very quickly. After that, I didn't really feel like trading for the rest of the night and made a trade at 7 a.m. in the morning. But you can see in the night, I would have gotten stopped out if I would have to have that's at least probably a $75 stop on a 0.05 position. So it could work. We would just be having a bigger stop loss. But yes, you could have gotten a nice clean move today. So not bad, not bad. We're looking at the next trade now. So in the morning at 7:39, I made a trade to the downside again. 7:39. Where's 7? I wanted to see this to like what stopped me out. So at 7, this is 7. So when I entered, was at 18117.58. Why isn't this changing? Point. Okay, they rounded it up. And then I got stopped out here at 18133. 0.43. Okay. So it would just be again having a bigger stop loss. Then I would have been able to take advantage of this sell side. So I was right on the direction, just wrong on the timing. I had entered on the 10 or around 9:58. I entered with a $20 stop loss and made $200 on the other account. So that was pretty good. And then let's get into my watch list now. So let's do the watch list where we document these instruments so I can have a good grasp of the prices of them as it relates to every single day. You can see Bitcoin is the lowest, one of the lowest it has ever been since we have been documenting, and that's at 63283. People are blaming a lot of this movement on the war and also the potential of interest rates going to hike coming June or later in the year. IMMR must be the first time. Wow, IMMR is holding like it's not playing around like everybody else. Bit farms, I'm pretty sure it's at 1.5, 1.7. Okay. So the lowest it has ever been since we have been documenting and since I was buying. I'm not looking to re-enter into this. This probably would have been a good short. Nvidia coming down lower at 857. AMD, I'm pretty much lower as well. Wow, AMD is bouncing up here, but it's 160, so it's still a little bit lower. It has space to go down. SMCI, I'm sure 700 because it's a stock that likes to move exaggerated. Interesting. I would probably trade this lower, honestly. Honestly, I would take this lower. 882. Wow. Wow. Overall, so I'm gonna put it bearish overall. Bearish overall for market fears of wars and interest rates. Great video today. I'll see you in the next one. My strategy is getting better. You're gonna see it. I'm gonna be profitable very soon. Completely profitable, funded, able to do it live, able to just build and scale and grow very soon. Bye bye.